3 cinematic sound effects for your next video. Cinematic water ripple. A gentle ripple sound that creates a smooth aquatic transition, perfect for scenes involving water or serene environments. Distorted bram. A gritty, distorted bram that adds a raw, edgy feel to high-intensity scenes. Cinematic hybrid Brahms. Combination of Brahms with other sound elements like percussion or synths. Perfect for unique, multi-layered soundscapes, adding complexity and richness. We've helped over 20,000 video editors on YouTube elevate their sound design skills. Now it's your turn. Get your free sound effects pack today. Click the link to download yours.